What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Today, we are going to check out MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini lifestyle. This is Home Series 1. On the side, we can see a couple of the items we might find. I would totally love to find those flowers. We might also find sand, rocks, and resin. I bought this capsule at Target for $6.99. I was trying to see if I could hear what's inside, but nah, nothing's moving. Here's another one. Something's moving in this one. I also picked up ones that I thought felt pretty light, hoping to avoid resin. Let's go ahead and open the one that is silent. Wait, some of the flowers have resin because they have water to go in the vases. I hope I didn't just mess myself up. Well, too late now. We might as well see what we got. Ooh, it's a plant. Here's our little booklet of do's and don'ts with warnings about resin, how to use resin, how to play with plants, how to assemble the display, and some of the other items. There's a collector's guide showing us the 12 minis we might find, like the flowers, which come with resin, bird feeders, and an orchid. Ooh, the orchid is pretty. And plants. I like the plants. The capsule has 2 wooden bowl-like pieces, 3 paper bags, a small box, and our plant wrapped in newspaper. Let's open this bag first. We have silver-colored tweezers, a little gardening tool, which is adorable. The handle is painted brown. I love that little painted detail. Let's bring over this little table. I bought it from Target a while ago. It's a riser, but I use it as a dollhouse table. And this is going to be our work area for the day. We have 2 little gold feet or legs that we can attach to the included shelf to make a little display for our minis. In this bag, we have a little tray. It's simple, but I like it. In the last bag, we find our soil, but also sand. Now we just need our little box and the plant. Let's open the box to see our 2 little planters. Take the perlite mix, don't know if I'm saying that right, and let's open it. Scoop out some of the sand. Oh, yeah, it's doing that. And place it into the pot. There we go. Come on, come on. Yay. I'm not sure how much we need, so let's just keep adding more. That looks about right. Take out the plant, which is rubber band into the paper. We have 2, and they're stuck. There we go. Honestly, though, this looks like a super easy plant to DIY. Just saying. It's pretty much a stem with a circle-like leaf. Let's place it into the pot. I need more dirt. Then cover the roots, and it's done. Then repeat to make the second one. This is really cute. Let's open another one. I can definitely hear this one moving around. Hopefully it's another plant, because that's all I really want. And we have a plant. Oh wait, I think this one is cut flowers that go in little milk bottles. Okay, these little milk bottles and the milk carrier is so cute. Can we take the bottles out? Oh, we can! And they say mini on the front. We have 2 paper bags. I think this one is the tweezers. Yep. And the bottom of the display. The other bag is a small bottle of resin. But I think we might be able to just place the flowers in the jar without the resin. That way we can switch them out whenever we want. I use scissors from home to trim them down, then place them in the jars. Since there's so much going on with the carrier, I don't think it's even noticeable. Let's add the other stems, and this one's done. Opening a third capsule. When I shake it, there's a little movement in there, but not much. And inside we find flowers. Oh wow, look at these. We have some of the usuals like tweezers, a shelf, and a bottle of clear resin water. But it's not real water, it's resin. And an orange box that says, just add flowers. On the other side, I think we can see what it looks like. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, that's cute. We have a little shredded paper. Honestly, the little packing details are too cute. We have 2 little stems of poppies, and the leaves and the stems are flocked, so they're fuzzy. So many little details. I don't even want to cut the stems so they can fit in the vase. I just want to leave them as is. But these colors look great with our dollhouse, so let's go ahead and do it. And we don't have to trim off a lot. We can do just a little. Then place it into the vase and look, it's standing with just one. And again, with this style of vase, I don't think we need the water. Let's trim the second one and add it as well. Yeah, it works. And just like the baby's breath in the jars, we still have the option to switch them around. I do love options. Let's open one more because we are on a roll. As long as it's not a birdhouse, ooh, I am okay. And this is that a double? Nope, it's the peonies. And the box for the vase is pink, and here's the other side. Let's open it to see what it looks like. We have some packing paper in there. Ooh, do you see this? Everything matches my place. We have 2 bags again with the same stuff. Let's take the flowers out of the wrapper. We have 2 stems. And again, I don't think we need resin for them to go in the vase. However, I want to add a little vase filler. So I'm placing clear seed beads inside to kind of give that look. If you don't want to worry about it falling over and having beads go all over the dollhouse, totally not speaking from experience, then you can add a little Mod Podge and swirl it around. And I made sure all the beads are sticking to the side so there's still an opening in the center. Trim the bottom of the flowers and place them in the vase. And now we have more miniature flowers for the dollhouse and a whole bunch of these. Let's take some twine or jute and glue it on the inside. I use hot glue to attach it in the center, and then we're just gonna go around and around, gluing along the way. You can choose to cover the outside if you think it will be visible, which is what I did, and I just left the flat part on the back uncovered to make woven basket wall decor. And we can decorate them with a little acrylic paint to make designs. Attach them to the walls in the dollhouse with a little poster putty to make your own mini lifestyle decor. I love that these are perfectly sized for the dollhouse and that the resin can be optional. Because you might have noticed I'm not a huge fan of resin play. As a parent, would I have bought this for my 8-year-old Bella? No, I wouldn't. But that's just me, and I totally believe in doing what you feel comfortable with. As an adult collector, will I continue to buy them? Yeah, because I love all the little details. I like that we were able to recycle the ends of the capsules to make wall decor, and I'll probably pick up a few more because I totally want more plants. Or we could always DIY our own. But we'll save that for another day. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Make It Mini Lifestyle. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.